Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn the second unit. Playing with numbers. Already we know how to add, subtract, multiply, division. Okay, just recall. Any two numbers we can add, we get the another one of the number. Okay, so for example, $27,050 and 30,050. Add. We have considered the two numbers. Add. Okay, add another one of the name or sum. Okay, we have called addition, add or sum of the numbers. Addition of the number 27,050 and 30,050. How do you add these two numbers? 27,000. It's ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, and then next you'll write in the unit place. Start from the unit place. First unit place of the second number is 0. Second tens place is 5. Hundreds place 0. Thousands place is 0. 10,000 place is 3. Now we'll start to add the given numbers. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. Remaining 1. Added to the next one. Hundreds value is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, so thousands place 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. So answer of these two, sum of value is 57,000 and 100. 50,000, 57,000 and 100. Okay. Next is subtraction. Subtract or difference. Another one of the word. Difference. Okay. Find the difference from 28,000 by 6,000. Okay. So from is given. So இதில் இருந்து 28,000 இருந்து. So here also write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay. So next one of that, subtract the difference value is 6,000. Write in the from 0 to thousands, ones to thousands. Okay. So 0, 0, 0 and 6. So subtract for this sign, in subtractor sign, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2 and 2. So the difference of 28,000 and 6,000 is 22,000. 22,000. Okay. So another name of the subtraction is difference. Okay. Difference of. And next multiplication. You know multiplication. How do you multiply? For example, 180, okay, into multiplied by 3. Okay, how to do? Write 180 into 3, is it? So, multiply. Anything multiplied by 0, 3 into multiplied. Any number multiplied with 0 also 0. 0 வச்சு எந்த நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் அதே மாதிரி எந்த நம்பரையும் 0 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் we get the value is 0. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 4. So write it 4 here. So remaining is 2. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So some multiplication of 180 into 3 is 540. And next division. Division of two numbers. First one, for example, 48 divided by 2. So here there is a divisor, it's a dividend. Okay, so 48 using the long division method. So 2, 2 2s are 4. Next down 8, 2 4s are 8. The remainder will be 0. The quotient is 24. Quotient is 24. Remainder is 0. Dividend is 2. Divisor is 48. Divisor is 48. Okay. Now see the revision exercise. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. First one, 48,047 minus 29,918 is given. Okay. So how do you subtract? First write in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, write in the ones place 7, 4, 0, 8, 4. The next one, write 8, 1, 9, 9, 2. Okay, subtract it now. Is this possible? It's not possible. So bear from here, here 3, here 17. 17 minus 8, we get 9. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. It's not possible. So bear from thousands. So here 7, here 10. So hundreds value is 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, so thousands, so 7. It's not possible to subtract from 7 to 9. So bear from here, so 17. Okay, so 17 minus 9, 8. And then 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Next one, again third, fourth are homework. Okay. Now see fifth problem. 38 lakh 67,500. Next one, 38 lakh 65,347. Okay, so subtract. Here write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 38 lakh 67,500. Next 38 lakh 65,347. Cannot subtract from here. So bear from here. So 4. Here 10's place is 9. 1's place is 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. So 9 minus 4, 5. So 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. So these are values are 0. So answer is 2,153. Okay. Now see the eighth problem. 24,080 divided by 43 is given. 43 is given. and 80 to 4 divided by 43. How many times is first 2 is not possible. So we have considered the first 3 digits. First 3 digit. How many times is possible? 43. Okay, 43 is possible 5 times. 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 4s are 20 and 21. Okay, 44 into 43 into 6, 6 3s are 18, 1, remaining 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Here the first 3 digit is 240. So it's not possible. So the possible of 43 multiplied by 5. We get 215. Okay. So subtracted. Borrow from here 10. So 5. Here 3. 25. Now the next one. So how many times is possible to 258? So how many times? 6 times. So 6 times 258. So remainder will be 0. Here another one of the 0 is here. Okay. So added in this place 0. So another one of the 0 down. Okay. Okay. So quotient is 560. The quotient is 560. The remainder will be 0. So division of 24,080 is divided by 43 is equal to 560. 560. Okay. I hope you all understand the revision exercise. Okay. Okay. Now see the mixed operation involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions are given. We follow the rules. If a mathematical expression has a symbol of addition and subtraction, both are given, we first do add and then subtract. Okay. Add and then subtract. So both operations are given. Which are the operations? Addition and subtractions are given. So first preference to addition. First preference to addition. Okay. See the example. First one. Here addition and subtraction only given. So what we do in this place? First preference to addition. So here which are the numbers are plus sign? These two values are positive. These two values are positive values. So first preference to add. Add these two values, what we get? So 28 plus 14. Add the positive value of first positive value. Add the positive value. Additions. So 8 plus 4, 12. 1. 42. So write 42. And next preference to the next value minus 5 minus 16. Okay. So now already you know that these are the same value. What we do? Already learned the integers. So two negative signs will come. What we do? Add and put the same sign. Is it? So what is that? Minus 21. Add these two values, we get minus 21. Now subtract 42 minus 21. So subtract what we get? 2 minus 1, 1, 4 plus 2, 2. So value greater number sign is positive. So answer is 21. Here which operation? First preference to the addition. Here next preference to subtract. So given any expressions, it contains addition and subtraction. First preference to addition. First is added the given numbers, after preference to the subtraction. Okay. And second one of the condition, if a problem involves multiplication or division beside addition or multiplication, if we first preference to the multiplication or division and then go for the addition and then the subtraction. Okay. So For example, see here 7 plus 3 in between of these two operations had its multiplication. Okay, so first preference to multiplication or division, after go for the addition and then subtraction. Okay, this is the rule. So first preference to multiplication or division. Here multiplication is here. So 7 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 3. Which operation do it here? Multiplication. So write in a bracket. Okay, multiplication. And next preference to add. So add these two values. 7 plus 12. Okay, 7 plus 12 19 minus 3. And next here write addition. And next preference to subtraction. So 19 minus 3 16. In this place write subtract. Okay, so the value is 16. See another one of the example. Here division is given, negative sign and positive signs, plus addition and subtraction is given, at the same time division is also given. So first preference to division, after add and then go for the subtraction, So first division. So 16 minus 6 divided by 2 3 plus 8. Okay, so next preference to addition. So 16 plus 8, these two are add. Okay, so 16 here write division and then addition. So 16 plus 8 24. 16 plus 8 is 24 minus 3. In this place write addition. And now subtract. 24 minus 3 21. Subtract. Okay, you have follow the mixed operations involving addition, multiplication and subtraction, divisions are given. First we have follow the mathematical expression has a symbol of addition and subtraction only given. So first preference to addition and then go for the subtraction. Okay, first one. And next one, if a problem involves the multiplication or division beside of addition and multiplication, we first multiply or divide. Okay, so here first example had the multiplication, second one is division is given. Okay, so first preference to multiplication or division and then go for the addition and then subtraction. Okay, I hope understand the first two concepts. Now see the third one. When a problem involves all the operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, then there is an agreed formula denoted by D mass. Okay, so next concept we learn the board mass. The before of that one we learn the D mass. Okay, so here D stands for the division and M stands for multiplication and A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Here see one of the example, 15 plus 7 multiplied by 4 minus 21 divided by 3. Here 4 operations are given. Here use it the D mass formula. Okay, here we have used the D mass. So first preference to division. So 21 divided by 3. So 15 plus 7 into 4 minus 21 divided by 3. 7 times of 3 we get the 21. So here in right division. So next preference to multiplication. So in this place multiply the next step. Okay, 15 plus 7 4s are 28 minus 7. Within a bracket write multiplication. Okay, and next one preference to A. A means addition, is it? So add these two values. So 15 plus 28, okay, 15 plus 28, 5 plus 8, 13, 1, 43. So 43 minus 7, within bracket write addition. Okay, and next is subtraction. 43 minus 7, 43 minus 7, it's not possible, so borrow from here 3, so 13, here 7, 6, 13 minus 7, 6, 36. So answer is 36. Here write subtraction. Okay, I hope you all understand the concept of the mixed operation involving the all the operations. So first rule, if is given numbers, given operations are addition and subtraction is given, first preference to add, after that subtract the given numbers. Okay, and second one of the rule, addition, subtraction and multiplication or divisions behind given, what we do, first preference to multiplication or division, after add, and then finally subtract the number. Third one, when a problem involve all the operations, namely addition, multiplication, division and subtraction, then there is an agreed the formula DMAS. Okay, so DMAS means the D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and A stands for addition, and S stands for the subtraction. Already you see one of the example also. Okay, we will see another one of the example now. Simplify 7 into 3 minus 4 plus 60 divided by 10. So we have used the DMAS formula. First preference to division. Okay, so 7 into 3 minus 4 plus 60 divided by 10, 6, division. Okay, so next preference, division after multiplication. Okay, so multiply the 7 into 3. 7 3 is a 21 minus 4 plus 6, then a bracket right, multiplication. Okay, next preference to addition. So here these two are the add. So 21 plus 6, 27. 27 minus 4. Then a bracket addition. So 27 minus 4, 23. Here write subtraction. Okay, so here follow the rule DMAS. I hope you all understand. Now see the exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Simplify the following numerical expressions. The first one, 15 minus 6 plus 10 minus 2. Okay, here two operations only given, is it? Addition and subtraction is given. So what we do, first preference to addition. First preference to addition. So which are the values here? Positive 15 and 10. So 15 plus 10 minus 6 minus 2. So added, arrange like this, after add these two values. So 15 plus 10, 25 minus 6, 8, directly write, both are the same sign, so add and put the same sign. So minus 8, in this place add, addition. And here 28 minus 8, subtraction. What we get? 25 minus 8, 17. Okay, 17. Okay, that is the first one answer. I hope you all understand. So second problem, third problem, fourth problem, fifth problem, fourth problem homework. Okay, now do the fifth problem. 7 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2 into 9. Here 3 operations here use it, is it? So first preference to multiplication. First preference to multiplication. So 7 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2 nines are 18. Multiply. And next add. Which are the values? 7, 3, 18. Okay. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 18, 28. 28 minus 5. Then a bracket right, add. And next finally subtract. So 28 minus 5, 23. Subtract. Okay, subtraction, fully right. Multiplication. Okay. So answer for the fifth problem is 23. Okay. And next sixth one is homework. Seventh one, 40 divided by 5 minus 3. Here two operations are given. Which of the operations? Addition and subtraction is given. So first preference to addition. Sorry, first preference to division. So seventh one, the 40 divided by 5 minus 3. So first preference to division. So 40 divided by 5 minus 3. 8. Forty divided by 5 is 8 minus 3. Here write division. And next 8 minus 3, 5. Subtraction. So seventh problem answer is 5. Okay. So remaining problems homework. So now see the 12th problem. Okay. So 12th problem. 128 minus 4 into 21 divided by 3 plus 1250. So here using the 4 operations. So first we have used the DMAS rule. DMAS rule. Okay. DMAS rule. So first preference to division. So first divide this. Okay. So 128 minus 4 into 21 divided by 3, 7. 7 plus 1250. Within a bracket write division. Okay. And next one, next preference to the multiplication. So multiply these two values. 128 minus 4 sevens are 28 plus 1250. Here write multiplication. And third one, add. Here addition and subtraction only is here. So first preference to the addition. So 1250 added 128. So what is the value? 8, 7, 3, 1. So 1378 minus 28. You can't able to add directly right in a rough work area. Okay. One, two, 8, 8, 7, 1. Okay. And next subtracted 1378 minus 28. So 0, 5, 3, 1. So 1350. Subtraction. Okay. Now see the 13th problem. 950 minus 125 into 0 plus 625 divided by 25 minus 5 into 5. Okay, here using 4 operations, we have used the DMAS rule. So first preference to division. So 625 divided by 25 is 25. Okay, so in this place 25 minus 5 into 5, then a bracket division. And next preference to multiplication. Here 2 multiplication terms are there. So 950 minus anything multiplicated by 0, 0 plus 25 minus 5 5s are 25. And then next preference to add. Next preference to addition. So 950 plus 25 minus 25. So add these two value, what we get? 975. 975. Here write add, addition. Now subtract these values. So 950. Here right. Okay. So answer for this sum is 950. I hope you all understand the concept of involving the mixed operations. How can we do the problems? Okay. Now I will 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, and the exercise 2.1, second problem, third problem, fourth one, sixth, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Okay, complete all the homeworks and send to the mobile WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you, students.